Welcome to this new video. Today, we will explore the different steps to safely and effectively operate an ONIS with a safety lock feature. Before we even begin, ensure you have these essential safety measures in place. Wear your safety gear, close the upstream and downstream valves, and depressurize the pipe. First step, inspect the seals. A quick visual check ensures they are in good condition. Next, we'll need to authorize the operation. Use the provided key to ensure only authorized staff can continue with the procedure. Now, let's spread those half bodies using the lever. Switch the slide gate position from full bore to blind. You can now clamp the half bodies using the lever. And finally, ensure the ONIs is securely locked to prevent unauthorized operation. Congrats, you successfully achieved a blinding operation. Thank you for joining us on this journey. For more insightful content and other video, you can visit our website.